How to clean different types of decanters. You don't need fancy products to clean your decanters. Cleaning a decanter can seem like a very daunting task, but it's actually not that difficult if you know what type of cleaner to use. First, you need to examine the material it's made of and any other factors that may affect how cleanable it is. There are different methods for cleaning specific types and shapes of decanters, and it's crucial to know what kind of shape yours has before picking up anything from the store shelf. So we're going to show you how to clean all different types of decanters without those expensive cleaners that are only used for a kind of glassware. It's time we take our cleaning game up a notch. Here are some methods on how you may clean a decanter. Hot water. The simplest way to clean a wine decanter is with hot water. First, fill the vessel up and swirl around before pouring it out. Repeat this process until the smell and stains are gone. Vinegar. Wiping down wine decanters with white vinegar is one of the best ways to clean them. The acidity in it removes stubborn stains and spots, making your glassware clear once again. Decanter brush. Decanter brush is an innovative item that can reach deep inside your cup and remove all traces of dirt or leftover residue that would otherwise be left behind by just swishing water around its neck using your hands alone. Salt and ice. A great combination of scrubbers for decanter is the duo of salt and crushed ice. Fill your decanter with these two, then swirl gently, but not too aggressively until you see that all dirt has been loosened from within its glass walls before rinsing off or wiping dry. Rice. Combine uncooked rice with dish soap or vinegar and swirl the mixture around in a circular motion until all pesky spots disappear. Then, pour out the water mixed into it and rinse thoroughly with warm water before placing it back onto its shelf for safekeeping. Baking soda. Next to the vinegar, baking soda is the other cooking ingredient and a prominent cleaning agent. When mixed with water, the baking soda will do its thing to dissolve any harsh residue. It's an effective method, but it's time-consuming as it takes a while for the baking soda to work with the water and dissolve the stains. Distilled water, vinegar, and ethanol. The swirling motion with whatever scrubbing agent you use is only applicable for a decanter with a broad body and narrow neck or the vase-shaped decanter. After cleaning, you can easily place them on a drying stand or place them upside down on a surface to let them dry. So, here's how to wash a decanter using distilled water, vinegar, and ethanol. 1. Pour some distilled water into the decanter and add a splash of white vinegar. 2. Leave this solution inside for a few minutes. 3. Gently swirl the decanter around, making sure the entire surface is coated with the solution. 4. Drain it and rinse with distilled water. 5. Add about 2 tablespoons of ethanol and coat the inside by swirling it gently. Then pour it out. Ethanol evaporates quicker than water, and with it, the stains will also evaporate. Cleaning powder. Cleaning powder often works well with coffee pots, but it can also be used for your glassware. Cleaners like baking soda and powders work wonders on tough wine stains that refuse to budge. Mix the cleaner of choice in warm water and watch as the magic starts doing its thing. Soon enough, you'll have a sparkling decanter. Denture tablets. It's effective in removing stains and cleaning the inside thoroughly, but it may not be convenient to some people. And it's also time-consuming as the tablet would need some time steeping water. Now let's find out the easiest ways on how to clean different types of decanters. How to clean a crystal decanter. 1. Fill the decanter with warm water. 2. Swirl it around for a few seconds to remove any stubborn stains or residue. 3. Rinse off the decanter with clean water. How to clean a narrow neck decanter. Decanters with narrow necks are the easiest to work with when cleaning them. All of the methods mentioned are applicable to narrow neck decanters, though a decanter brush might not fit in its narrow neck. How to clean a new decanter. You can use the hot water method effectively, and if you want, you can accompany it with either vinegar, baking soda, and soap. How to clean a Riedel decanter. With this, it's natural to buy their beads when you buy their decanters. But if you don't have their beads, any of the solutions mentioned can be applied as long as you consider the decanter's shape. Be sure to use warm water to rinse the decanter. How to clean a whiskey decanter. 1. Fill the decanter with warm water and dish soap or vinegar. 2. Let it soak for 30 minutes or so. 3. Swirl it around to get any dust or dirt off the inside, then pour out excess liquid. 4. Fill the decanter with warm water and add uncooked rice. 5. Cover the opening with your palm and shake it around more vigorously than you would with a wine decanter. 6. Then, remove the contents and rinse. 7. For the final soak, fill a decanter with water about 3/4 and add about 2 tablespoons of OxiClean. This should help in removing any remaining stains but won't leave any residue or scent. 8. In a separate glass or bowl, make the same solution and soak in the stopper as well. These should be soaked overnight for the best results. 9. The next day, pour out the solution and rinse the decanter and stopper with warm water repeatedly until fully cleaned and shiny. So you've just had a great time cleaning your wine decanter. But wait, the hard part is not done yet. It needs to dry properly so the mess won't happen again in another day or two. So before putting away that fancy glass container, make sure everything has dried out well thoroughly. Was this video helpful? Let us know in the comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more tips and tricks.